last video, I broke my camera, so I'm just gonna go repair it. Hello. So I broke my camera and I was wondering if you could go and repair it. Let me just take a look at it. Oh my god, that is really broken. How broken? Come back in a few days. And 3 days. Just give me your name and your last name, and you can pay right now. Sure. My name is Ella. Well, actually, this is my mom's credit card, so I'm not giving her name. My name is Ella, and my last name is Thank you. Just a look at it. So I'm back. Hello. Do you have my camera? What's your name? Ella. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. So, I hope you like this video. Add some comments and subscribe. Thank you.